there, this is Steph and Khiem, and we're on our way to another eating adventure. It is Sunday brunch time, and we're on our way to Lapis. It's a family-owned Afghani restaurant in the Adams Morgan neighborhood of DC. Neither of us have been there before, so I'm really excited to check it out.
Which one are you getting?
I was gonna get the Afghan dumplings with a side of naan.
This one?
Yep.
And I think I'm gonna do the kebab or right there.
Yeah, it's really spicy, but not in a spicy hot way. Spicy in like a very, there's lots of rich flavors, a lot going on in just like one little dumpling. It's delicious.
Oh, nice.
What do you think of the tea?
Tea, I love it. When you first drink into it, it has like this hit of cardamom and like all these other spices, ginger, a little bit of cinnamon. Definitely the cardamom, and I don't know, I enjoy it a lot. I might have to get a second one. I just got the kebab, and I'm gonna try it out now. I forgot the last part of the name, but I'll definitely have a little caption that flashes. I really like it. I love all the spices that are used in it.
How do you feel about the feel of this place?
No, I really like the decor of this restaurant. It feels very homely. It has traditional elements from the Middle East or from Afghanistan with a modern twist to it. I mean, if you look around, there's a lot of family heirlooms and pictures of grandparents and whatnot plastered all over the walls. And it's really nice, and I would highly recommend anyone to go here and give this place a shot. It's delicious, it's beautiful, and it's great times.